Hello kids, today we are going to learn E sound. Let's proceed with the story.
Zack has a white pet mouse. She lives in a cage on the desk in his bedroom. One evening, Zack forgets to close the cage door properly. The little mouse climbs out of the cage and starts looking around the desk. Suddenly, she sees a cat watching her. She squeaks, "Eh, eh, eh," and quickly runs across the top of the desk. Crash! She bumps into the bottle of ink and knocks it over. As the bottle falls, the lid comes off and the ink spills out everywhere, even over the little mouse. The mouse keeps on running as fast as she can, scampering off the desk and across the room to the mouse hole she had seen from her cage. Safe in the mouse hole, she scrubs and scrubs at her fur, but she cannot get all the ink off. She decides that from now on she will make the mouse hole her new home and call herself Inky Mouse. In the morning, Zack finds the mouse missing and sees a little set of inky footprints across the carpet, leading from the desk to the little mouse hole.
Ink.
Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet.
Words with E sound. Igloo, insect, ill, sit. Let's concentrate on the word sit. In the word sit, E sound is coming in the middle. Blend the letters together. S, E, T. What do you hear? Sit. You guessed it right. Sit. B, E, B, bib. P, E, N, pin. L, E, D, lid. F, E, G, fig. N, E, B, nib. S, E, P, sip. P, E, T, pit. Let's match the picture with the sound. T, t, telescope. S, s, six. S, s, Scorpio. I, India.
Thank you for watching.